Hey everyone, this is my P3 project. I'm Kyle McGuire. I apologize if my voice is a little scratchy. I'm sick right now. So I made the developer's best friend website, and the homepage is pretty simple. The general layout for the site is this header with these links on the side, and then this footer that just has like a fake copyright thing. And then it just kind of describes what the site's doing in the middle. And then if we go to one of these two tools, the Lorem Ipsum or the user generator, we get a form. So this is the Lorem Ipsum generator, and you can enter a number of paragraphs, and it'll generate the Lorem Ipsum. Uh, you can also clear it just in case you want to like reset the page for some reason. Um, and then it takes 1 to 50, so it can generate up to 50 paragraphs of Lorem Ipsum. And if you try to go above that, it will give you an error. Same with below that. And then the user generator basically works the same, except the form is different. So you can generate 1 to 20 users, and you can tell it which fields you want to include. So we'll do email, first name, last name, company, job title, and then generate 5 of those. And then they kind of come out in these little table views, so it has all the information that it generated. And there's no correlation between the email and the first name and the last name, unfortunately. So those kind of don't make sense sometimes, but it's just dummy data, so who cares? Um, and that's so I can talk about the libraries I'm using now a little bit. So uh, I'm obviously using Laravel, and then for the Lorem Ipsum, I'm using Magyar Jetty Lorem Ipsum client, and then for the user data, I'm generating it using the FC Anonado Faker, and that's really cool. It's perfect for this application. It basically lets you generate all kinds of specific data like email addresses, and it just handles all of the randomization for you. And then my setup's pretty straightforward. I have my routes. The home is just a get route, and then each of the two forms has a get and a post route for submitting the data. And then, so like the home controller only has an index function that just returns the view for the home page. And then the two form things have a similar thing where it makes the page, but it takes these variables to insert the data in case they're coming through from the same page and they already have data in the form and you don't want to reset it, or in case they have errors. And then there's also a generate function, which is called by the post route. And this does all the validation and sets the generated HTML property on the controller, which is then in the index function passed through to the page. So at the end of the post functions, they return a call to the index function. So it's returning the same view every time, but the properties on this controller might be different, resulting in a different view. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward, and it's located at p3.kylepixel.com. Thank you.